Okay, hi everyone, I'm Rich, welcome back to BB's Customs, and this is going to be the last video of the year. Okay guys, it's only going to be a quick one today. My welder is still out of commission, so that's not an option. I can't fabricate anything. As you can see, I'm in the Christmas mood. I'm ready to give this a break for a week or so I can actually chill out with my family instead of spending all my spare time in a shed. So today we're just going to very quickly mock up where this is going to go on the bike. I've turned it round to make it easier to see. We'll get it fitted, we'll have a quick look and then make a judgment call as to whether I actually want it there or not. So here we go, let's see what happens. Okay, well there she is, all turned round, looking very much like a nearly finished bike now. If I just come out the shed a little, you can see what she looks like. That tail light on the side, complete seat. She is only loosely on there at the moment. yeah, I am quite pleased with how this is coming on, I think. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Do you think the tail light looks too big? Is it out of place? I mean, the number plate's about the same size as that backing plate anyway, so it's not going to be too much bigger than that. I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. It's not going to catch on anything. You hit your foot at the same time because it's just in line with the foot pegs. So yeah, I think that's looking pretty smart. Right, well that's it from me for this year, guys. Thank you so much for all your support over the last 6 months. It's been amazing just seeing how many of you actually take the time to sit and watch and comment. It's always great to hear from you. I hope you all have amazing Christmases, or take some time for yourselves over the holidays. Have a great new year, and I shall catch you in January. Have a good one. Cheers.